Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change text cursor color on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change text cursor color in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, you will find accessibility. Click on accessibility. And here you will find an option text cursor. Just click on text cursor. First of all, you need to turn on text cursor. And then you will find here recommended colors. By default, purple is selected. You can change the color. I am going to change the color to turquoise. Look, now text cursor color has been changed to turquoise. I am going to click on search. Look, the text cursor color has been changed to turquoise. You can change any color from here as you wish. I am going to change it to yellow. Look, the text cursor color is changed to yellow. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.